all, welcome back to Pabbly, and let's see how we can send SMS in minutes. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow built inside Pabbly Connect. If you are an existing user like me, but if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can create up to 100 of automations for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here, which is RITYT. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for the application using which we're collecting the lead details. So I use Google Ads to collect the details of my own leads. So I'm just going to connect the same. Now it is asking for the webhook URL, so just copy this webhook URL and just open your Google Ads campaign. So as you can see that this is the campaign which I want to connect with my workflow, because I want that whenever I receive a new lead from Google Ads, instantly an SMS message should be sent towards that lead. So that's the reason I selected the app event as new lead form entry and the app as Google Ads. I've received the webhook URL, so I'm just going to add this webhook URL in this campaign. For that, I'm just going to open the lead form of this campaign and I'm going to add this webhook URL in this lead form only. So you're going to see when we're going to scroll till the end of this lead form, there's lead delivery option. Open this. For the webhook URL, just paste the URL which you copied from the workflow and then enter the key and click on this send test data. It is saying test data send, so let's just open our workflow and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here. Be it the company name, be it the phone number, be it the email, first name or last name, the details are captured right over here. After the details are captured right over here, you have two options. The first option is click on this recapture webhook response and then yes, and then wait until you receive a real lead in real time. The second option which you have is you can create the automation using the test lead details and it is going to run perfectly fine for your real leads too. Now you just have to click on this add new action step. In order to send automated SMSs, I'm going to use Twilio. You can use any another application too. So you have to search for the Twilio and select it. For the event, select just send SMS message and click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between Twilio and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection. It is asking for the account SID authorization token and the account SID. So to get this, just open your account and go on the account dashboard. At the end, when you're going to scroll, you're going to see the option of this account info. Just open this and you're going to find the account SID authorization token. So just copy this account SID, paste it right over here in your workflow 2 times, and then for the authorization token, just copy the authorization token and paste it. Now click on this save and your Twilio will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, it is asking for the body of the SMS. So I want the SMS something to be like this. I'm just going to copy this body of the SMS from the previous workflow and paste it right over here. So the body of the SMS will be hi name, which is the name of the lead. Your inquiry is active. We are offering a limited free consultation for Google Ads leads today. Please reply start or call on this number now. Over here, I have to mention the name of my lead. So in order to mention the name of my lead, I am just going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So what we have to do, put a slash, search for the details and map it like this. So I'm just going to keep it as first name over here. If you want, you can map the full name too. So the rest of the details will remain same. The whole message will remain same for all the leads. Only the name is going to change so that each of my lead receives a personalized SMS. Now for the sender's number, you just have to copy the sender's number from over here in your account, just below the authorization token. Just copy and paste it right over here. After you paste it, for the recipient number, put a slash and then map the number which you have received in the response. But over here, I have received a test number. So I'm just going to replace this test number with the original number so that I can show the message and the response received. After replacing this, just click on the save and send test request. And now you're going to see we have successfully received the response that we have successfully sent this automated SMS. So let me just check my SMS and I'm just going to show you that this is the SMS which we have received. It says send from your Twilio trial account. So I use a Twilio trial account, that's why this line is sent. Otherwise, if you use a Twilio paid account, your message will start from hi. Hi first name, your inquiry is active. You're offering a limited free consultation for all the Google Ads leads today. Reply, start or call on this number now. So you're going to see yes, we have successfully received this SMS, and with this we have successfully learned how to send messages automatically in minutes. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, and while trying, if you have any doubts, you can directly drop them in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, and for more automation tips and tutorials like this, do subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, everyone. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.